All right, let's take a look at this. So it says use the graph to determine the domain, which you did, which was good. Then it says to figure out the range. So range is the y values. And so you look from the bottom, how low does it go? And so you can see right here, see the y values right here, there is no bottom basically. This just keeps going. So the y values go down to negative infinity. And then at the highest point, they hit up at negative 2, and we include negative 2, but negative infinity, we put a parentheses because it's more of a concept. We're trying to approach, a bigger and bigger negative number. Then next we're asked to find the x-intercepts. And so you look at the x-axis, it actually doesn't cross the x-intercept anywhere, so there are none. So we'd actually pick part B down here. The next question is y-intercepts. Well, there is actually a y-intercept. It hits the y-axis right there. So let's see, what is that? That's part D. So let's see, part D, the y-intercept is at, and so if they want it, let's see. See, I'm not sure if they want it as an ordered pair or not, so be careful. If you're putting it as an ordered pair, it would be 0, comma, negative 2. If they want it just as a list, it would just be negative 2 by itself. And then let's see, the next part says find those function values. So they want us to find f of negative 5. And so I'm going to kind of clear this off so we can see this. So f of negative 5, basically that means x is negative 5. And so if you were to follow this out to where x is negative 5, it's going to stay on the same trajectory right here because we got that arrow. So it's going to stay at negative 2. So that would equal negative 2. Then f of positive 5, so we look at x where it's positive 5 right here, and that lines up with y equaling negative 4. So that's going to be negative 4 right there. All right, well, I hope that helps.